Okay, this is Hempstead Road, Suite 4H. Okay, so walking in, the flooring needs to be done here. We need to install an AC unit here. Monty told me about. Sometimes you guys don't. I'm recommending that we do. We can't check the lights because electricity is not here. Ceiling tiles, some are bowed, so we need to get some of these replaced. That one is dirty there. Just one or two bow tiles. One is there, one's over there. We need baseboards on the ground. Electricity probably will be good. We have not checked to see if the internet's on or not yet. Hole needs to be repaired right there. So this one, just paint, flooring, we should be good. Going out to the garage area, no visible leaks that we can see. We need to change LED lights there. We have some electrical that we need to pull out here. We need to check the box on this side. We need to remove the walls right here and just non-fixtures throughout. The door itself is in good shape. So Marty checked the door, it works well. We have some extra fluorescent bulbs up here. And the last place I'm gonna go is the bathroom. The bathroom here needs to be cleaned. So the door is in rough shape, needs to be painted at the very least, probably replaced. Same here. Okay, walls are barely okay. Maybe we can, at least painting, maybe sanding it down here. Toilet needs to be cleaned. Sink, functional, clean, no leak that we can see yet. We need to remove fixtures or check the lights there, and we need to add a ceiling on this part here. Also, ventilation, we need to check to see if there's additional ventilation that's needed if you do put in AC. So let me zoom out so you guys can see. And here's the outside. There is debris on the front. John said that that's something that they can take care of from here all the way to the center. And that's 4H.